Hello everyone, Sandhya's English Cornerಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. I am Sandhya and in this channel I will help you learn English in a very simple and easy way. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ so that you can understand quickly. Today's video, let's learn how to use the phrase no problem. When someone tells you thank you, you can reply with no problem. It means ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ or ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. For examples, thank you for your help. You can reply with no problem. No problem. Thanks for writing. You can reply with no problem. No problem. Now ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Repeat after me. No problem. One more time. No problem. Very good. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಗೆ. Bye everyone. See you in the next lesson.